We live in an exciting, vibrant, growing city. A city that we as a congregation are called to pray for and care for and love. This is a very good place to live and raise a family. We're among the fastest growing large cities according to the US Census. We're rated among the top 30 places to live in the US. As a congregation, we are called by God to live for such a time as this. We're called to be a congregation who nurtures and nourishes a sense of belonging to anyone who comes Sunday morning or in the course of the week. And we exist in the middle of this large, thriving, developing community. We have opportunities few churches have. Folks, we can either sit back and let the change that the 21st century is bringing our way like a tsunami and allow it to overwhelm us, or we can shape and fashion and influence that change for good. We're called to care for and be committed to transforming the spiritual heart of this city.